For SeaDragon shareholders, the big day has finally arrived, the opening of the company's new factory here in Nelson. And it's not hard to see why everyone is so excited about the potential that this new facility offers in the future.
Simply put, we take unrefined fish oil and we refine it into high-grade omega-3 oil. That unrefined oil is produced from the parts of the fish that remain after the fillets have been removed. That byproduct that we take then is converted into fish meal and fish oil, the latter of which we refine. Essentially, we're taking a byproduct and converting it into something that supports healthy living in a variety of ways. We're adding value to the fishing industry without having to catch a single extra fish.
So Colin, how are you feeling about today's refinery opening?
Proud and excited. This is a tremendous day in the history of SeaDragon. Today we push the green button on our new factory and commercial products start. The market's roughly 200,000 tonnes of omega-3 fish oil in a year. It's growing rapidly. It's growing by about 10 to 15% a year. Our new products coming off our production line will command a high premium because of the image in New Zealand with the deep, clean blue oceans.
To run this factory around the clock would probably take in the region of 9 people, and that's going to produce 5,000 tonnes of product per year compared with the 250 tonnes, 300 tonnes that we're producing over at the existing facility.
Given your recent capital raising, what does your link with Comvita mean for your future?
Comvita bring to the party both extensive experience and knowledge in the area of primary industry products. In lots of respects, I see the relationship as fraternal. They've clearly seen it and done it when you look at their track record, and let's hope that we can follow in their steps.
What's your message to shareholders who've been very loyal to you to this point?
One of gratitude, I would say. You're right, the shareholders have been tremendously loyal and patient. This is the beginning of a new era.
For one long-serving shareholder and director, this day has special significance. Stuart, were you always confident that this day would eventually come?
The simple answer to that is yes, absolutely. Entrepreneurial projects such as this, seldom proceed according to plan, and the plant, as you see it today, way exceeds what the original concept was. So the potential for the business is huge.
This is really the Aston Martin of the fish oil refining equipment. But it's not really the equipment that distinguishes us from our competitors. What makes us different is the provenance of the ingredients that flow through this refinery, and also the specialist knowledge that our people have in manipulating all of this fancy equipment to produce the maximum yield of the highest quality oils.
SeaDragon expects this new plant will significantly improve its prospects in the future and represents a major step forward for the company. It's also a significant development for the New Zealand seafood industry, with companies such as SeaDragon adding considerable value to the primary production sector. In Nelson, for SeaDragon, I'm Andrew Patterson.